Hello students, welcome to the Fun Known. Today we are going to study measurement. So students, in measurement we will see what we are going to learn in measurement. First we'll see what is measurement. Next, the units of measurement. Third, we are going to see the metric and the imperial units. And the fourth one, we'll see the calculation of length, weight and capacity. So, students, let us understand each of the topic in detail. Yes, what is measurement, students? Measurement refers to the comparison of an unknown quantity with a known quantity. That means one quantity you know very well, that is 1 kg, and then you're comparing with another quantity. So, if this is the double of the earlier quantity, so you can say 2 kg. If it is triple, then you can say 3 kg. So, one known quantity you already have, and then you are just comparing the known quantity with an unknown quantity is known as measurement. The results of measurement is the numerical value with certain units. We can measure length, weight, capacity, that means also volume. Capacity is also known as volume of any given object. So, whichever object they are going to give you, you can measure the length, weight, and volume of that object. Or we can also say that measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. Let us understand what is measurement in detail and units of measurement. So, students, units of measurement. So, the measurement we talk about units. What are they? So, mostly, whenever if someone is telling you, okay, go and buy this from the shop or buy bananas from the shop or XYZ. So, whatever if someone is telling you, if they are telling you to buy a milk, they'll use a unit which is 1 liter. If they are buying apples, they'll use a unit which is kg. So, what are the units of measurement? We'll understand them each one by one. The unit of measurement there is that you can consider is 1 off. So, 1 meter is a unit. 1 second is also a unit. 1 meter per second is also a unit because there is one of it, and so on. So you can just consider, so the unit is a general term that means the type of measurement, and people understand that what we mean by just one of it. So now let us understand systems of measurement. Unit can be grouped together to make a system. Metric system. There are various types of systems. So first, the system of measurement is metric system. A system of measurement that uses the meter, liter, and gram as a base unit of length, that is distance, capacity, that is volume, and weight, that is mass, respectively, is known as metric system. Next type of system we have is imperial system. So, a system of weights, and it also measures, originally developed in England. So, a system that weights and measures originally, which is developed in England, is known as imperial system. Let us have an example and what is the difference between metric system and imperial system. As we have seen, students, length, area, weight, volume, these are different metric systems. But the imperial system of length will be inches, feet, and yards. Area, imperial system of area is square feet and acres. Imperial system of weight will be pounds and ounces. Then volume will be fluid ounces and gallons. So these are some different imperial system units and some metric system units. So now let us see the conversion of these different systems in terms of length. So metric system to imperial system. You can see here, student, 1 millimeter, which is also considered as 1 mm, will be 0.03937 inches. IN is inches. So 1 centimeter will be 10 mm and 10 millimeter will be also 0.3937 inches. 1 meter, that is also known as 100 centimeter, which is 1.0936 yards. And then 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, which can also convert into imperial by 0.6214 miles. So now students, now you can see this is how you can convert it, right? So let us see with an example. If there is a question, we have been given 500 millimeters and we have to convert that 500 millimeters to inches. The simple thing what we are going to do is, what millimeter to inches, this is the one, what they have given, one conversion of 1 millimeter. So if it is 500 millimeter, what I'm going to write, I'm going to write 500 millimeter multiplication exactly the value of 1 millimeter in imperial. So I'm going to write 0.0397. After multiplication this both, you will get 19.7 inches. So 19.7 inches will be our conversion of 500 millimeter to inches, that is metric system to imperial system. Next students, conversion of length only, but here we will see conversion of imperial system to metric system. As we have seen in previous slide, we have seen the conversion of metrics to imperial, so we have just multiplied whatever the values are and then we have done it. Now there is a conversion of imperial to metrics. So 1 inch can be converted to metrics as 2.54 centimeter. 1 foot, which is also noted as FT, is 12 IN, that is 12 inches, and it is 0.3048 meter. Then 1 yard is 3 feet, which is 0.9144 meter. 1 mile is 1760 yard, which is 1.6093 kilometer. 1 inch nautical mile, that is 2025.4 yards, which is also can be written as 1.852 km, that is kilometer. Let us understand with an example, students. If there is a question and there is an example, what is 2000 yards in metric? Because this yards means this value is already in imperial system and you have to convert this value into metric. So yes, how you are going to do that? In the chart it is already shown 1 yard is 0.9144 meter. So yes, it is given over here, 1 yard is 0.944 meter. So what you are going to do is you are going to just multiply 2000 with this value. You will get the answer in meters, that is in metric system. So this can be also expressed in kilometers, that is 1.829 kilometers. So you can also say the answer is 1829 meter, or you can also write as betterly, you can express it in 1.829 kilometers. I hope you understand the conversion of length from metrics to imperial and imperial to metrics. So now here we are going to see the conversion of mass. But specifically, while conversion of mass, we will see metrics to imperial. First, let us understand the chart. Students, in examination, learning the chart will be very much important for you, because in examination you are not going to remember all the numbers, right? So it is very much important for you to go through it properly and learn it, so that in examination when the question occurs, you will be in that position to actually give that value and then multiply whatever you have to do with that value, and then you can get the answer. Whatever formula, you can just substitute that value over there. Next, in metrics, 1 milligram is 0.015 0.54 grain. 1 gram is 1000 milligram, which is also known as 0.0353 OZ. Then 1 kilogram is 100 grams, which is also 2.20646 lb. 1 ton is 1000 kg, which is also known as 1.1023 short ton. And then 1 ton again, you can also call it as 0.9842 long ton. So let us understand with an example. If there's a question to you, you have to convert 10 kilogram, that is 10 kg, to pound. How you are going to convert that? First, what you will see, you will just make sure you'll go to the chart and you will see 1 kg is equal to 2.2046 lb, right? This is 1 kg value. So here they are asking of 10 kg. So 10 into 2.2046. The value will be given to you is 22.046 lb. This will be the actual value. So this is how you can convert a kilogram to pound. Don't forget to write the units, students, because units are very much important when you are converting a value. Everywhere units are very much important. So you have to remember this units. Next, students, we'll see conversion of mass only, but here we'll see conversion of imperial system to metric system. Earlier we have seen metrics to imperial. Now we are going to see imperial to metric system. So here you can see 1 ounce, that is Z, OZ, is 437.5 grain, which is also known as 28.35 gram. 1 pound, which is also denoted as LB, will be 16 OZ, and which is also converted in metric, so it will be 0.4536 kg. 1 stone, which is 40 lb, which will be 6.3503 kg. 100 weight, which is also denoted as CWT, will be also written as 112 pound, which is 50.802 kg. 1 short ton is 0.9052, and 1 long ton is 1.0160. Now let us see the whole part with an example, students. Here is an example. Example to convert 5 pound to a kg. So here they have already given a value in imperial system, that is pounds, and you have to convert that value to kg, that means a metric system. So how are you going to do that? You will first write the value 1 lb is equal to, here it is given, see this, the second row, 1 lb is equal to 0.4536 kg. So if they have given 5 lb, that is 5 pound, into 0.4536 you will do. So whatever the answer is, 2.267 kg. I hope you are understanding, students, what we are doing. Now we are understanding, and now we are going to see the conversion of capacity, or we can also call it volume. But here even the conversion what we are going to see is from metric system to imperial system. So you have to keep this table again in mind. Here it is 1 cu cm, that is centimeter cube. Converting to imperial, you can also write 0.0610. Then you can also see 1 cu decimeter, that is dm cube. You can also convert that to 1000 centimeter cube. You can write 0.0353 ft cube. Here 1 cu meter cube, which is also can be written as 1000 decimeter cube. You can write that 1.3080 yards. YD means yards basically, so yards cube. 1 liter is dm cube, that is again decimeter cube, and you can write this as 2.113 fluid point, which is also can be written as 1.7598 pt. Let us see with an example, students, this table which you have to keep in mind. And now we'll go towards the example. Check the example. You have to convert 10 cum to CUYD. So how you are going to convert? First cum means this or this or this. We have to find it out. So first we'll just write 1 cum, that is 1 cu meter. They are asking m means meter, right? This is centimeter, this is decimeter. So this is our value, 1 cum. So 1 cum is 1.3080 yd cube. So this is the value. So you have asking us 10 cum. So what you will do? 10 into multiplication of that numbers, that is 1.3080. You will get the answer as 13.080 CUYD. So this is how you can convert from a metric system to the imperial system in volume. This is conversion of volume. Now here also it is conversion of volume, but here you can find earlier slide we have seen metric to imperial. In this slide we will be seeing imperial system to metric system in terms of volume. So here you can see 1 cu inch, that is in, cube will be 16.387 centimeter cube metrics. 1 cu foot, that is ft cube, will be considered as 0.02832 meter cube. 1 fluid ounce, which also can be written as 1.0408 FLOZ. This measurement will be done mostly in United Kingdom. So metrics is 29.574 ml. Then 1 pint, which is also known as 16 FLOZ, which is 0.832 UK point, and it can be also converted to metrics in 0.4732 liters. Last one is 1 gallon, which is also known as 231 in, that is inch cube. It is also can be written as 3.7854 liters. So this was an explanation of the table, students, from imperial system to metric system of volume. Let us understand with an example. Here there is a question to convert 3 cu inch to cu centimeter. So inch to centimeter, you can see the first row itself of the table. Here inch to centimeter they have done it. So for converting an inch to centimeter they have used 16.387. So this is 1 inch ka value. So if it is 1 inch value, then you can see what they are asking. They are asking for 3, right? So you can just multiply 3 into that value, so you will get the answer as 49.161 cu centimeter. I hope you are understanding, students, how we are doing conversion. We have seen conversion of length, then we have seen conversion of mass, and then we are seeing conversion of volume. Both we are seeing of metrics to imperial and imperial to metrics. That's it for the day, students. We'll see you on the fun note later. Thank you so much, students.